Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete account in Notion. So in order to delete account in Notion, first you will have to navigate to the left top corner and click on your workspace name. Here click on settings, and here in account click on your name and your profile picture right here. Now you should be in your account settings, and you will have to go scroll down at there the support section and click on delete my account. As you can see, you can permanently delete the account and remove access from all workspaces. So click on delete, and you can see that this action cannot be undone. So your entire account will be permanently deleted and you will be removed from all shared workspaces. If you want to confirm, just type here your email to confirm the deletion of your account, and then simply click on permanently delete account and one workspace. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.